Hello, Jerry Hoffman and Sleepy Hollow friends. Miss Darcy here, and today for our science experiment, we are going to make fireworks in a jar. And so, as always, you need a grown-up's help, and I would recommend that you try and do your science experiments outside. Just in case it gets a little wild, it's a very easy cleanup. Okay, so all you'll need is a jar or a tall glass that you're going to fill almost all the way to the top with some warm water. Okay, and then you need some oil and food coloring. Okay, now you'll need a dish to put your oil in, and you only are going to need about 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, Miss Darcy already put her oil in there. And then you're going to need about 2 drops or 3 drops of whatever colors you want to do of food coloring. Okay, so Miss Darcy's going to put hers in there. Okay, and let me get my red over here. Here we go. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to take a fork and you want to mix up the food coloring and break it into smaller droplets. Okay, so as you can see, I'm mixing it up. It's getting into smaller droplets. Okay, as much as you can. You may have to go a little quicker. All right, and you can see small little specks because the food coloring isn't going to mix with the oil once it goes into the water. The water is not going to mix with the oil is not going to mix with the water, and then the food coloring is going to go down and make our fireworks. So you'll see in one moment. So what you want to do is then slowly pour it into the water. Okay? You want to go nice and slow and pour it in. Okay, very slowly. Really slow. Okay? And then you're going to watch what happens. Okay? And if you can see, we're starting to see some fireworks happening. There they go. They're not like the big fireworks in the sky, but these are fireworks underwater in a jar. And because those little droplets are heavier than the oil and the water, they're starting to come down and make fireworks in our jar. Isn't that so cool? And they're under the water. So it's like going down and then they burst open. And all the colors are starting to mix together. Do you see the red and the yellow and the blue and the green? Here it comes. And it's making fireworks. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So you can watch them and see what's going to happen next. All the colors are starting to come down in fireworks and make it. And they're all kind of mixing together. Isn't that so cool? And it's a super fun way to make fireworks under the water. Who would have thought that you could do fireworks in a jar underneath the water? How very cool. So I hope you've enjoyed this science experiment today with me, and maybe you will want to try it out at your home too. And remember to have a grown-up help you, and as always, try to do your science experiments outside. And then you can watch and see what's going to happen with your colors in the water and the oil. I hope you've enjoyed this, and remember that we love you and we miss you and we can't wait to see you when we come back to school. Bye for now, and enjoy the fireworks.